इबादत गाह के साथ हमने अलाउ किया है, वी शुड ऑल हैंग आवर हेड्स इन शेम।
पाकिस्तान में किसी और में शायद इतनी जरूरत ना हो कि जो ये बात कह सके, मुझे मालूम है।
Pakistan continues with its persecution of minorities. We'll show you images. Look at those images there.
आप अगर बात ये नहीं है कि आप उन्हें मुसलमान समझते या नहीं समझते, अगर आप नहीं समझते तो आपको उन्हें ज्यादा प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए।
मुझ पे इस बात पर फतवे लगेंगे। I'm used to listen to these fatwas. मेरे ऊपर कोई ऐसा सेहत पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ता।
Sunni Muslims climbed atop an Ahmadi masjid in the southern area of Karachi.
We have a duty to protect our minority. और अगर आप मुसलमान समझते हैं तो बस।
And used hammers to destroy the minarets of this structure. The attack is yet another in a string of attacks that have taken place on Ahmadiyya places of worship in Pakistan.
क्योंकि मेरा फैसला मालिक यौमिद्दीन, जो रोज़े महशर अल्लाह ताला फैसला करेगा, मुझे उसके हुजूर पेश होना है, वो मेरा फैसला करेगा। दुनिया का कोई मौलवी मेरा फैसला नहीं कर सकता।
But that is not the debate here. The debate is we have allowed people to go to ransack the Ahmadis' place of worship, and then there are people who are celebrating this. This was not Jinnah's vision. This was not Jinnah's Pakistan. I categorically and unconditionally condemn this.
I do understand your concerns, and I have my great sympathy with Ahmadis. I'm saying that because many of my friends and very close friends have been and are. And you are a community which is very educated and very progressive and very dynamic. I mean every word of it. So therefore one should favor you, yes. Sympathy is towards your community with realities on ground. So you'll have to live with it. One hopes that better times will come.
देखिए साहब, कीजिए भाई, कोई रहे या न रहे, मेरी प्रीचिंग शुरू से रही है। ऑल पाकिस्तानी irrespective of their religious belonging.
Bismillah.